Hey everyone, welcome back to SalesforceBigThumb, and in this video we will learn about objects in Salesforce, and we'll also have a look at some of the standard objects which are available out of the box in Salesforce. So let's begin. Okay, so I'm logged in into my org, and in the navigation menu you can see a bunch of links like campaigns, leads, contacts, opportunities, etc. So these are nothing but objects. In Salesforce, we don't use the term database tables and we call them objects. So, campaign here is nothing but an object or a database table. So, for example, if I click on campaigns and then click on new, I can create a new record in the campaign database table. So, I can just enter the name of the campaign, whether it is active or not, the type of campaign, whether it is a webinar or a partner or referral program or anything. Then what's the status of the campaign? Is it planned, in progress, completed, aborted? What's the start date, end date? What's the expected revenue? What the budget cost, actual cost, and the expected response? How many leads can I get through this campaign? And then I can just save it. Now, to understand how a business can make use of these objects, let's take an example. So, here we have Tata Motors who has come up with a new product, and for that they are running a new campaign. So all the details of the campaign, like we just saw the name of the campaign, the cost of the campaign, the number of leads they are expecting, all these details go into the campaign object. Now, from the campaign, they are going to generate some leads. So what are leads? Leads are the people who are currently interested in buying your product, and they can be your professional customers in the future. So all the details of the leads go into the lead object. Now, once a lead is converted, like it has actually become your customer, their details go into the account and contact objects. Now, here we have two leads. One is John from Stark Industries, who are planning to buy 100 cars, and each car would fetch 800K for Tata Motors. And then we have Paul, who is planning to buy one car for himself, and this is gonna fetch 835K for Tata Motors. Now, the details of John and Paul would go into the lead object, and the details of the deal, like the number of cars they are planning to purchase and the amount, the total amount of the deal, these all details would go into the opportunity object. Now, once the lead is converted, the details of the leads are passed on to account and contact objects. Like here, the details of Stark Industries, their address and their contact would go into the account object. And since John is the point of contact for Stark Industries in this case, the details of John and his contact details would go into the contact object. Similarly, details of Paul would go into the contact object. Now, after the deals are done, suppose Paul encounters some problem with his car. So he connects with the customer service and they create a new case for him. So all the details regarding the case would go into the case object. All these objects which we saw here are called standard objects because these are provided out of the box with Salesforce. So whenever you create a new org, you get all of these objects created automatically by Salesforce. You can see more standard objects by going to your org, then click on the navigation wheel, click on view all, and if you scroll down, you can see there are a whole lot of standard objects which are available right out of the box by Salesforce. Still, if a business has some special needs, you can always create new custom objects in Salesforce. Remember, standard objects cannot be deleted. They can be modified, but they can't be deleted permanently. So that's all for this particular video. And you know the drill. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can also visit our website www.salesforcebigthumb.com. You can find some great blogs there. You can also follow us on our socials. We are on Instagram and Twitter. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.